Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
At sabay-sabay natin batiin si Papa Rick ng isang happy birthday. Ready? In 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday!
Ay, palakpakan naman dyan. You will not take your seat.
Alright, happy afternoon everyone.
Happy birthday.
Nagandang na tayo tayo
Ikaw po,
susunod
happy birthday.
ang Jalia's birthday celebration. I'm requesting everyone to wear your may dalawang malaking mata, tubig na laging nakatawa, at syempre, kumikemot-kemot pa. Coming down to your best friend, my best friend, our best friend, Jollibee! Ang pasok na sa Jollibee, sabot, Papa Miss Leon Jollibee, Kalama Jollibee. Ayan, kawag-kawag ka ng Jollibee! Ayan, pasok-pasok ka Jollibee sa birthday ni Papa Rick, here in Jollibee, Kalama Jollibee. Ayan, kaway-kaway ka naman Jollibee sa lahat ng mga bisita ni Papa Rick. Ayan. Ayan, make it faster. 1, 2, 3, go! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Alright, jolly birthday! Alright, before I blow ni Papa Rick ang kanyang birthday cake, magbigay muna tayo ng birthday wish muna. Alright, ikaw muna mag-start muna, ma'am. Say guwapo!
Forever.
Stay healthy. Stay strong.
Stay happy.
Stay bright. Stay young.
Wow! Alright, Papa Rick, get ready for the blow the cake, right? Take our wish muna before we blow the cake. Ready? In 1. Okay, wait lang. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Blow. Ayan, blow na. Wow! Happy birthday! Alright, it's time to picture muna since nandito na yung mga family ni Papa Rick. Take a picture muna tayo para may remembrance ko sa... Alright, sit down muna tayo.
Kuya, bila. Man, papa, bila, papa. Dali, bila.
Mayawi, dala ka.
Ano yan ako daon din? Nakasunod mo yung...
Alright, I think may mga lutbag sa mga kids. Alright, before mag-end ang ating 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan, kaway ko, hi! Alright, happy birthday! Alright, kung sino pang gusto magpa-picture ni John?
Salamat sa nag-sponsor sa akong myself. Walang ako magbayaran. Well, thank you very much for coming, Jollibee, Jolly Ren, for host, my friend. Well, daghang salamat na, no? Wala ko pa nag-expect ano nga. Nalay children's party ka ron.
Gusto mo ng surprise?
Surprise. So, thank you sa surprise. Ako po siguro ang surprise kayo, wala. Okay, daghang salamat. Salamat na ako. God bless you. Thank you very much, my guys.
Alright, palakpakan naman natin ang ating birthday servant, Papa Ray.